Ojaja kejì ẹja sọ pé kábíyèsí o ìgbà tí kábíyèsí pọ̀ àwọn olórí bàbá kábíyèsí tẹ̀lé wọn látòrí olórí barista Adérónkẹ́ Adébíyì Ògúnwùsì tó fi dórí olórí Dr. Ambassador Tèmítọ́pẹ́ Ẹnìtàn Ògúnwùsì bẹ́ẹ̀ la kí sòkò Adétisẹ̀ akí bàbá wa kábíyèsí aláyẹ̀wọ̀rẹ̀ ti ìdó Ọ̀ṣun akí gbogbo àwọn ládéládé àti gbogbo àwọn lóyèlóyè ànígbà wa lásìkò gbogbo èyí kábíyèsí tẹ̀ tí wà ń kalẹ̀ gbogbo yín la kí à ń tẹ̀síwájú pẹ̀lú ètò tó kàn bàbá wa kábíyèsí òní ti dé àdèlè dá ètò dúró mọ́ nígbà máa ń ṣe àwọn ọ̀gá nítajọ́ tọ́kù ibi ìwé là ń lọ báyìí. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. At this time, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like EOB to please come up stage so that you can handle the book review and presentation. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today is Sunday, and we are celebrating Chief Sunday Omoni Obiyinka, PhD, MNI. I'd like to personally recognize the presence of His Imperial Majesty, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, the Ooni of Ife, and the 51st at that. My name is Otunba Martins. I'll be inviting Dr. Raji to please come forward as I hand over the procedure to EOB. Dr. Raji, we're waiting on you. Thank you, sir. The book reviewer has asked me to invite the celebrants to the stage. Thank you. If my data is very correct, I want to assume that Dr. S.M.R.G. is the writer and editor. Thank you. I'm waiting on the celebrant, Chief Sunday. Today is Sunday, Omoni Obiyinka. Celebrant, author,
everything I do,
founder of Badumo Foundation, and PhD holder. PA, please bring the books. PA. I'd like to announce that the celebrant has magnanimously offered to distribute his books free of charge today. I think he deserves a loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. But please read the book. Thank you.
And also, once again, today is Otunba Sunday Omoni Obiyinka's birthday. Ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi sọ pé happy birthday. After the count of 3, everybody will say happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go! God bless you.
PA, please let's have copies of the books. Let's do this quickly. Time is a little fast spent and we're being mindful of your time.